Guys, I'm here with Scott. He is the designer and also the owner of Haloblk. I've been talking a lot about how amazing the design is for Haloblk. It's absolutely futuristic. I've said it before. It kind of reminds me of anime, Robotech, Gundam style. The design is absolutely awesome. So I wanted to know what made you get into this? What made you get into Haloblk and designing for Teslas?
I also do some graphic design. Right now, I want to make some future products for the cars, for the all fans.
So I'm here with Shab in front of Haloblk. They're one of my favorite brands. I'm always making videos about them. So they have this amazing booth at SEMA. As you can see here, the Highland, they decked it out. It's got the shark fins. So can you tell me more about your setup here?
So for this whole body kit, we want to make the Model 3 Highland look more aggressive, and that's not look like a different car. You can see this shark fin, so it can control the airflow more fluently. And so down this side, there are side out kits also, and into the bumper.
So Haloblk is coming out with a whole new brake system. It's got the caliper, the rotor, the brake pads. They're gonna sell it as a set. They do have it for the 19-inch, and it's gonna be in the front side, not the back side, but in the future, they're planning on customizing for other cars as well. On the caliper itself, it has 6 pistons. Definitely a lot better when it comes to braking. It's better performance for sure, especially when you're driving so fast with a Tesla. You need a strong brake if you want to have that performance for sure. So this is absolutely amazing.
It's from your first impression that the Haloblk can make your car look unique. We make sure that people can customize whatever the point they want on it. You can upload the image to our website, and we can change the picture for you. For this Haloblk, we make this central lock system, so you can check it right here. It can be very easy to attach on or get off.